feel like this hammock is just for show. So we are in Coron and we are doing a boat trip today. I didn't even look at the itinerary. It was just 8,600 pesos. We're going to stop off at some hopefully private beaches, and these are the settings this morning. Sun's out, buses everywhere, absolute mayhem, buses, water buses. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. Cool, so we've just met our tour guide, top captain, skipper, Richard. He's going to be showing us around for the day.
Hello.
Say hello. Apparently the best captain slash tour guide on the island, apparently. Isn't that right, Richard? The best?
Yeah, it's the best.
The best, you're the best, yeah, number one. And we got him, how lucky are we? So we have gone 3 weeks in the Philippines with no sun cream. My shoulders have peeled and tanned and peeled and tanned. We've only had a little bit of sunstroke twice, so we're actually not too bad. But today, it doesn't look to be much cloud cover at all. We've not seen the boat yet, so this could be the straw that breaks the camel back. Hopefully it's got a roof. Meg's outfit of the day. Spin.
Top, I'm not sure. Bikini, chini, obviously.
And who makes chini?
Me. Shorts, Adidas, flip-flops next.
All bought, apart from the chini,
Sunglasses.
from the local market for less than
Sunglasses
£1.
from Alex's dad in Turkey, right?
Yeah, Turkey Oakleys. These are real Oakleys though. We'll need on the record. Man doesn't wear fakes around here. Do I?
An outfit of the day?
Yeah, go on, I must have an outfit of the day. We got Birks from Birks. We got fur shorts. If you don't know, get to know.
Yeah.
We've got a Palawan vest on.
El Nido Finest.
El Nido Finest. We got a fake Nike thing because my last one broke. Fake hat, you saw me buy these. And Oakleys, only the best. Real Oakleys.
And yeah, that's our outfit of the day.
Yeah. Arms grown by myself.
Should we ask Richard what his outfit of the day is from?
It's always nerve-wracking, right, when you've booked a boat, because you don't know what the boat's going to be like. Like, it could be one of these things, or it could be like a good one. Like, you just don't know. Oh, yeah, Richard is fucking loving it, honestly. He smiled year to year from fucking the second we saw him. Big fan of Richard. I would give him a tip, but all ATMs are down in Coron, every single one of them. So we've got enough cash to scrape together for this boat trip, and we've got about a K left. Sounds like a lot, but it's about 12 quid. Oh, is this us, is it? Oh, she's a beast, Richard. She is a beast. We almost just left without Richard. Richard! Yes? You're not leaving us already, no?
Your assistant, my name is Lido.
Hey, nice to meet you, Lido. Good morning, bro. Lido, Meg, Richard, Alex. Some team, eh? Honestly, one team, one dream. Hands in, guys. Right, guys? 1, 2, 3, family. Right, guys? Right, guys? Hands in the air. Like you just. What the fuck? Right, guys? Oh. Today's the day we get sunstroke. Mark my cloud. And we are off. Wow. Richard's on crew. Vibes are high. We'll get this speaker on in a second. No beers today. No, we've beersed ourselves into oblivion here. Yeah, thank you, bro. Life jacket off. The trip is sadly coming to an end soon, so I'm trying to embrace every second. But is there more of a vibe than being on a boat with a speaker? There's a barbecue on the boat. I cannot wait for lunch. Meg's a veggie, so she's going to be having steamed up fucking tofu and shite, but I will be indulging in some locally caught fish and will Meg like her dinner? I think not. Comment below what you think. Meg hates it when I do that. Every time I do it, she does this. I mean, look. looks like glass, honestly. Fuck. And this is us walking up to paradise, let's be honest. Fucking hell.
Oh my god. This is nice.
Yeah. Good.
You know exactly what I need to do first thing. Look at that water, fucking hell. Whew. And now we're getting the drone shots. To know where I picks it up. So this coconut literally just fell 2 seconds away from my head. So now I'm gonna try and crack it open. Like, that is as fresh as it comes, isn't it? Like, literally fell from the fucking, hit my head. There's a rock here. I'm gonna, like, it's gonna take ages. I've tried doing this before. So fast forward to me trying to get it a bit closer. I think we almost got it. Hey! Almost. Just needs one or two little bangs. The water's fucking good everywhere. So I've cracked the hole, I'm trying to get a stick in. Oh, that's it! That is it, easy as that. Right, here we go. Fresh coconut juice. Nobody it. Mmm. Do you want some, Meg? Where's she gone? Do you want some? Oh, happy days. Sal's just my fruits of my labour. She just got an Instagram photo and splashed her on the floor. You saw that? That's fresh. Literally as fresh as it gets. Are you ready for this? Not heard that noise before. He's saying, "Let me go." I'd love to free a lad, but I think that locals would turn on me. Hey, love. Hey, love. Friendly? Oh, I don't know. Teeth are a bit too yellow.
I just fell over a rock. Ow!
Yeah, go. Did you intentionally fall then, or was that accident?
No, that was intentional.
Intentional. What do you think, guys? What do you think? And that is spot number 1 done. We are now going to Banana Island. However, there's no bananas on it apparently, so I don't know what that's about. What a fucking stunning place this is. And this is Banana Island. Looks just as fucking beautiful as the last one, to be honest. Wow. It's just completely empty. Like usually when you do these trips, they're just farmed out by now. Oh, little cat, little puss. Hello. That's the most normal looking cat I've ever seen in Philippines.
Oh my god, it's chunky. I'm just gonna call her.
Hello.
Oh my god, it's so skinny.
He's not, it looks like a normal house cat. Unlike the skinny little scrawny things we usually see. Banana Island Beach Resort.
Maybe because of the giraffe.
Again, God, it is a hot one today. Meg's got the GoPro out, the drone out. Meg, the sea urchin fucking magnet.
Stop.
What's the plan? Your destination? Your destination? Yeah? And then we'll go we go lunch with on the right side. Okay, so first. The main man. I know.
So he's going to make us some food or something, so I'm curious how this turns out. But there's only one thing left to do. The main man. Oh, what is this? Wow. Cheers, brother. Thank you very much. I've had some lunch spots in my life, but this. Dinner is served. We've got, I'm not sure, prawns and chicken, watermelon, nice big rice, and some potatoes and flapjacks maybe? Who knows? Who knows?
I think it's like tofu, I think.
I feel like this hammock is just for show. It's not. Huh?
Wave in the sky at the Coron. It's over there, other side.
How the hell am I supposed to know? You just wave like it's mad. Look at this. I have no idea where it is. It's just like wave, and tells me off for waving in the wrong place. Meg always mocks my feet, saying they're absolutely bogging. However, all she does is complain that her little princess toes keeps trodding on things. I tell you what, actually, there was in the canyoneering, like where the water had like, you know when you go in the bath too long and your toes go fucked. Well, like I've got like from wearing boots all the time, my like boils they look like basically. And the guide was like, "Oh no, what's happened to your toes?" And I've had to turn around and go, "Oh, nothing, they just bogging." Meg was crying. Oh, there's nothing wrong with my toes actually, they're just absolutely bogging. This is by far the hottest day we've had in the Philippines. It is a perfect day. And that concludes the tour. So 3 islands and lunch all done. I'll miss these blue waters. So we got an hour and a half drive back to the mainland, and then probably go for a coffee, some food. But the day of action has only just begun, I am sure. So next clip, us doing something else. So we're staying in the Venus Royale in Coron, right? So I've just come out of the shower, and here's the booking look. Superior king room with mountain view. I just want you guys just have a look at this mountain view. 2 seconds. Yeah, guys, what do you think of my mountain view? Is that a mountain view? Leave a no, that is a fucking bag of crap, mind you. I don't even care, but just don't even say it's got a mountain view if it clearly is that. Meg's gone for, you guessed it, Nutella crepe. I've gone for mango.
Sorry, you're so much better than me.
Well, I'll beat it after that, so. And as well, an appreciation for plastic straws. Oh. And there it is, sports fans, the moment we've all been waiting for to come in my way. Fine. So if you're in Coron, you need to find this place because it's not even on Google Maps. I couldn't find it anywhere. Live singers, there's like 10 different food markets. It's actually fucking real banging to be fair. So defo recommend this place. I would leave the location, but I don't even know where it is myself. Yeah, it's on this road, which looks fucking pretty vibrant and I'm not gonna lie. Well pretty. Yeah, real nice, isn't it? It looks completely different at night. What an amazing day. We got a boat trip planned for tomorrow as well, so really looking forward to that. Only one way to finish the day with a Rocky Road cheesecake. It is actually a vibe in Coron. I'm loving it, to be fair. It hammered down, we got back, we saw it in a bit of a bad light. Anyway, I'm not going to say that because I'm loving it. So we're going to order some pizza to take on the boat tomorrow. And yeah, tomorrow's going to be another vibrant day, so stay tuned for that. See you tomorrow. Love you, bye. Look at this, right? We've bought pizza for tomorrow. It's still in the box, like perfect, good to go. And Meg is gonna open it up and give her, look at, it's all done, all neat, ready for the boat tomorrow. And Meg is gonna give her this dog a slice. See, look at his tail. Look at him, he's so happy. Smiley. Oh, could have fed it to him.
No, because it might break me. Right, let's go. Wait, it eats, right?
Oh, he can't get it.
It's a dog.
Can't get it. I left the keys. Don't help.
Don't touch it now.
Well,
He's fine.
oh.
Sorry, I'm got animals.
Oh my god, Meg's now not gonna feed that. You can't feed. Oh, they're gonna fight over that.
Oh,
Oh god. Good evening, sir. How are we doing?
Good.